Hi students, very good morning to all. This is 7th standard maths term 1 chapter 5 geometry. In this class already you've seen about theoretical geometry and then practical geometry. Theoretical geometry already you've seen about you've seen a pair of angles formed intersecting lines and then transversal. Okay, and then practical geometry going to draw angle bisector and then perpendicular bisector. In this class we are going to learn about exercise 5.6. This is based on angles. Okay, so listen that already you know exercise 5.6 first and second sum. Now you see third sum. Okay, listen that carefully. Find the value of x, y and z. So given that in the figure la x, y, z oda values find out panna sollirukanga. Okay, so listen that carefully. Center will be 0. Center will be O. This line is A, B. This line name is C and D. Okay, so now we find out the values x, y, z. Now we find out the value first of x. Okay, so where is x here? Here x and then here also x. So this straight line, this angle x, this angle 3x plus 40. So this is the straight line. So already know that straight line is how many degree? Very good, 180 degree. So straight line is 180 degree. Okay, so here D and C, this is a straight line. So take that sum of straight line is, okay, sum of straight line is 180 degree. So add them, x and then 3x plus 40. X plus 3x plus 40 is equal to 180. Okay, do you understand? Listen that x plus 3x plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. See that here variable x, here also x. So add the coefficient, here 3, here 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4x plus 40 is equal to 180. In this time we find out the value x. Okay, here we find out the value x. So இது 4x அப்படி வச்சுக்கோங்க. So plus 40 take opposite side, it is minus 40. So 4x is equal to 180 degree minus 40. 4x is equal to 180 minus 40 is 140. 4 and x both are here multiplying. So 4 take opposite side, it is divided. So x equal to 140 divided by 4. Cancel that 4 table. 1 4s are 4. 3 4s are 12. Balance 2. This is 40. How many 4s are 40? 5 4s are 40. So value of x is 35 degree. Next we find out the value y and z. So listen that this values is 40. Okay, this values is 40. Now we find out the value y. Okay, x oda value 40. இப்போ y oda value find out பண்ண போறோம். So இங்க y எங்க இருக்கு? இந்த பிளேஸ்ல y plus 30 இருக்கு. ஓகேங்களா? So அப்போ இந்த AB straight line எடுத்துக்கலாம் இல்லையா? So straight line எடுத்துட்டு sum of the angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay, do you understand this? அப்போ x plus y plus 30 is equal to 180. Okay, so listen that x plus y plus 30. Y plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. Do you understand this? First x oda value find out பண்ணனும். So இத straight line எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம். ஏன் அப்படினா இங்கேயும் x இருக்கு. ஓகேங்களா? நீங்க இப்போ இத straight line எடுத்தீங்கன்னா இங்க x இருக்கு, இங்க y இருக்கு. So எந்த ஒரு வேல்யூமே நம்மளால எடுக்க முடியாது இல்லைங்களா? So xங்கும்போது இத straight line எடுத்துக்கிட்டா yங்கும்போது நம்ம இப்போ x ஓட வேல்யூ ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம் இல்லைங்களா? So yன்னும்போது இத straight line எடுத்துக்கிட்டேன். ஓகேங்களா? So y ஓட வேல்யூ ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் z ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணும்போது இத வந்து நீங்க straight line எடுத்துக்கோங்க. DCD straight line எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Okay, so x plus y plus 30 equal to 180. Value of x is 35. So 35 plus y plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, here plus 30. Okay, 35 plus 30, add them. 65 plus y is equal to 180 degree. So y is equal to 180. Here 65 plus y, both are add. So 65 take opposite side, this minus 65. Okay, do you understand this? Subtract that. 180 minus 65. Take one barrow, this place is 10, this place is 7. 10 minus 5 is 5, 7 minus 6 is 1, 1. So answer is 115. Value of y is 115 degree. Okay, do you understand this? Next one, we find out the value of y. Value of y. So take that. This is next we find out the value of z. So now take that this is the straight line. Okay, put the value y equal to 115. Okay, 115 plus 30 plus z plus 10 is equal to 180. This is a straight line. Okay, do you understand this? Listen that y plus 30. Okay, so y plus 30. Next one, z plus 10. Okay, this is a straight line. So y plus 30, z plus 10. Okay, y plus 30 plus z plus 10. This is a straight line. So equal to 180 degree. Okay, do you understand this? So listen that carefully. Value of y is already we find out. Value of y what? 115. Okay, so put that value 115 plus 30 plus z plus 10 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, do you understand this? Next one, add that 115 plus 30 plus 10, 30 plus 10. So 5, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 1. 155. 155 plus z is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now we find out the value z. So z equal to 180. Here 115 plus z, both are addition. So take opposite side. Plus 155 is opposite side. It is denoted by minus 155. Do you understand this? Okay, subtract that. 180, 155. 0 minus 5 is not subtraction, so take one barrow. This place is 10, this place is 7. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 7 minus 5 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So answer is 25. So z equal to 25 degree. Okay, so the values of x is equal to what? X equal to 35, y equal to 115. X equal to 35 degree, y equal to 115 degree, z is equal to 25 degree. That's all. Do you understand this sum? So listen that carefully. Value of x. Okay, this is the straight line. So add that. X plus 3x plus 40 equal to 180. X plus 3x is 4x plus 40 equal to 180. Here 4x plus 40, here both are addition. So this is 40, take opposite side, it is minus. So 180 minus 40 is 140. Here 4 and x both are multiplying. So this 4 take opposite side, it is divided. Okay, so 140 divided by 4. 1 4s are 4. 1 4s are 4. 3 4s are 12. Balance 2. 14 le 12 subtract panna balance 2. Okay, so this is 20. So 5 4s are 20. So value of x is 35. Okay, do you understand this? Next one, value of y. Listen that. Already now we find out value of x is 40. So this is the straight line. So add that. 40 plus y plus 30 equal to 180. Okay. Sorry, value of x is 35. Okay. value of x is 35. Okay, so add that 35 plus 30 is 65 plus y. Here both are additions, so take opposite side, it is minus. 180 minus 65 is 115. Okay, now we find out the value z. So add that straight line y and z. Okay, y plus 30 plus z plus 10 equal to 180. So add that value of y is 115. So 115 plus 30 plus z plus 10. 150 plus 30 plus 10 is 155. Okay, here both are addition, so take opposite side, it is minus. So 180 minus 155 is 25. Do you understand this sum? Okay, next is sum. Fourth one, listen that it is very easy sum. Two angles are in the ratio 11:25. Already know that, already you know 11:25 is 11x and then 12y. Okay, 11:25. If they are linear pair. Okay, how many degree linear pair means? Which line? Very good. Linear pair means straight line. That is 180 degree. Okay, find the angles. So, let the angles be 11x and 25x. Given that ratio, so convert into angles 11x and then 25x. Here given that linear pair. Linear pair means 180 degree. So sum of linear pair is equal to 180 degree. So sum that, add that 11x plus 25x is equal to 180 degree. Okay, here variable, here x, here also x. So add the coefficient. 25 plus 11 is 36. 36x equal to 180 degree. Here 35 and x both are multiplying. So 36 take opposite side, it is divided. So x equal to 180 degree divided by 36. So cancel the two table. 1 2s are 2, balance 1. Here 16. How many 2s are 16? 8 2s are 16. Here also cancel the 2 table. 1 is not divided by 2, so take 18. 9 2s are 18, this is 0. Again cancel the 2 table. 9 2s are 18. 4 2s are 8, balance 1. 5 2s are 10. Again cancel that 9 table. 1 9 is 9. How many 9s are 45? 5 9s are 45. So the answer is x is equal to 5. But we take the values angles 11x and 25x. So find out that 11x is equal to 11 into value of x is 5. So 11 5 is 55. Next one 25x. So 25x. 25 into value of x is 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 balance 2. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 125. 11x equal to 55 degree. 25x is equal to 125 degree. Okay, do you understand this sum? Anybody have doubt? Okay. Next one, listen that sixth sum. 4 and 5 both are same, that third sum method. So listen that sixth sum. In the figure POQ, listen that carefully. POQ. In the figure POQ, ROS and TOU are straight line. Listen that POQ is straight line, ROS is straight line, TOU is straight line. Okay, or straight line is given that. Find the x degree. So இதில் என்ன ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னா, இந்த வேல்யூஸ் எக்ஸ் டிகிரி என்ன அப்படின்றத ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் அ பாயிண்ட். பாயிண்ட் மீன்ஸ் taken by 360 degree. But here listen that carefully. A point கொடுத்துருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னா 360 degree எடுத்துப்பீங்க. But UOS, SOQ, QOT இதோட ஆங்கிள்ஸ் எதுவுமே நம்மளுக்கு எதுவுமே தரல இல்லைங்களா? இட்ஸ் நாட் கிவன். ஸோ இதோடைய ஆங்கிள்ஸ் எதுவுமே தரல. ஸோ half of the angles மட்டும்தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க இல்லைங்களா. ஸோ half of the angles மீன்ஸ் இதுக்கு மேலே உள்ள ஆங்கிள்ஸ் தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ இதை 180 ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் லைனாக எடுத்துக்கோங்க, லீனியர் பேராக எடுத்துக்கோங்க. ஓகேங்களா. ஸோ தி linear pair TOU is straight line is given that இல்லையா. straight line. So straight line means sum of the angles is 180. So add them. Sum of the angles is 180 degree. So add the angles 36 plus 47 plus 45 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Now we find out the value x. Okay, do you understand? So sum the values 36 47 45. Add that. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. 8 balance 1 4 8 11 12 128. Okay, sum this 128 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Here 128 and x both are addition, so this 128 take opposite side, it is minus. So x is equal to 180 minus 128. So subtract that. Okay, 180 minus 128. 0 minus 8 is not possible, so take 1 by row. This place is 10, this place is 7. 10 minus 8 is 2, 7 minus 2 is 5, 1 minus 1 is 0. So answer is x is equal to 52 degree. So this values of x is 52 degree. Just check your answer is correct or wrong. So sum that 36 plus 47 plus 45 plus 52. Sum of the straight line is 180 degree. So இந்த values எல்லாமே நீங்கள் add பண்ணிங்க அப்படின்னா அதோட answer 180 வரும். So your answer will be correct. Okay, that's all students. Chapter 5 geometry is over. Anybody have doubt, please ask our group. Next class we'll learn about chapter 4 direct and inverse proportion. Okay, thank you students, take care.